Everyone.
Hello.
Today, man, also is opening up some of these little eggy things that we found, and this is a locker. So I thought it was cute, so I said, okay, we're gonna do that. But before we open this, we want to show you. From our last video, we had a sloth. Okay. And as of this week, he bust out, and this is how he looked now. So he actually did come out. He just need a couple of days to grow. But he really cute, and he bust out his shell. Also scared of him. He don't like him, so we put him back in the water. Okay. Okay, on top. Sit down. Which one you want to open first, Osa? All right, you want to open up. This is called an alien. So let's see what's inside of the alien.
Okay.
All right. After we get scissors, and then the thing is so tight.
Whoa. That's his show.
Let's open up the alien.
Dog,
Yeah. All right, you want to open it? See, can you open it? Open it up.
I can't open it.
Bust it open. All right, so inside of the egg, we have another package. So we got to open up the package, and it also comes with papers about the alien. How to put the alien together. All right, let's open up the alien. Let's see.
Well, that's cheap.
Yeah.
That's
All right, let's see what's inside of here. Whoa! So this is inside of the package. You gotta get the alien out of there and put them together here inside of all the slime. Let's see. Oh, so come on, pull it out of there. We gotta get it out. Come on. Okay. Alright, I'm getting the pieces out. I got a leg. Oh, I got a leg, Kosa. Yeah, you supposed to help.
What do you want?
Uh-oh, I got another one. Look, we're going to open that one. Look, let's want to take this out first?
Yes.
Come on, we got to finish this one. Also, left. Okay, he said he'll be right back. Okay, so come back over here to your chair.
Yes.
Come on, we gotta open up the rest of the stuff for them. Okay, so we're gonna put this together later. Okay, come on, let's open it. Come back over here to your chair. We're gonna put the alien back inside of here until we put him together. Then we'll let you see how he look. All right. Oh, so sit down. Come on. All right. All right, let's open up. This one is called Treasure X Alien. Yeah, let's see how you open it. It's really sealed really tight. Alright, we got that piece off. Let's move on to Treasure X. Yeah, we never did these things before. Alright, bust this one up and let's see what's in there. You got it? Oh, okay. So inside of the blue egg, we have a squishy purple egg. Now, something is in there. There's something inside of there. He got to bust out. Come on, push him out. You ready? Got to push him out of there. Push him out of there. Whoa!
Oh, God.
Oh, he bust out the alien. We got the alien out, and he's oozing goo everywhere. Oh. Whoa. You gonna take it all out? The alien bust out the egg, y'all. This is all the stuff from the egg. And here is another piece that goes to him.
Mommy.
Whoa. Okay, let's open that one. Also ready to open that one. But here's the alien. And he busts out of the purple egg with oozy goozy orange. Alright, let's put that in there. Let's close that one. Alright. The next egg is FGTeen, I believe. If it's not, then y'all can always let me know if I said it wrong. This is me also first time getting these things. So just let us know what y'all call them or what they really is. Yeah. Alright. Let's see what's in there. Open that one. Whoa, you gotta let them see. Alright, inside of here, we got to see what's in here. Wow, it's also favorite, squishy. It comes inside with a squishy. I don't know what they would be called because we never did them before. So, let's see, do it come with a paper to tell us? It don't have a name on there, so we'll figure that out later. Alright, moving on to the locker. You ready, Osa? Let's open this one. He loves squishies, so I'm going to be on the hunt to look for a lot of squishies for him to open. Alright, let's get this locker open. And this is another GVTeen mini locker. Alright, so you open it up and it has a gray bag in it. Let's cut it open and see. And inside it comes with a cute little green and black doggy. Well, it's cute. Yeah, there go the doggy. And it has a key change. That's really cute. We can put it on our keys. It has these look like stickers.
Hi, Daddy. Hi, Daddy.
So it has 2 stickers with it. You like those?
Yes.
Alright. And it has this in there. Let's see what this is. The locker is really cool. Okay, so we gotta open this up. It's some type of ooey gooey stuff again. Come here. Also gone. Alright, so it has some what they call it? It's called FX Poofy. It's like, so it comes with this in there. And then once you're done, you can put this back inside that container. And you can put your stickers back in, and your keychain, and the little doggy. And you can close the locker back up. So that's what it is. It's really cute. So that was his video for this week. And we're going to find more little eggy things like this because he really likes them.
Wow, no.
Also is watching the slot inside of the water. He doesn't want to touch them, but he's looking at them over here. Alright, you coming back? You want to tell everybody bye?
Bye.
You want to say thank you for watching?
Lucky.
And say come back.
Come back.
Bye-bye. Okay. The little mini thing that came, the figure, it came in the FGTeen pack. It lights up. You press the button and it lights. So I wanted to show you, because also wasn't letting me show y'all. So it lights up. This what came inside of here. And the little alien that we had to bust out of the purple pouch, he has a little hole he can suck up. He sucks this stuff up back inside. So you keep filling it and you push it and you keep on doing it until he gets all of it in. See? And you keep on letting us. He has some in there, see? And he spits it back out. He uses it back out. And then you can